In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Blooket. So let's get started right away. Just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Blooket website. Now in order to create a new account, just click on the sign up button at the top right corner, and now you can sign up using your Google account or your email address. You can choose the sign up with Google feature for a shortcut. If you choose the email address, you will be allowed to set up your username and then ask to enter your email address. So just go ahead and type in your desired username followed by your email address. Then type in your desired password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Now click on the checkbox to verify that you are at least 13 years old and then click on the sign up button. You will now be asked to select whether you're a student or a teacher. Just go ahead and select whichever applies to you and then click on the next button. You can also click on later to skip the tour. And now you have successfully been signed up to Blooket. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.